Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Who we got first?
Mr. Hyder. Correct. Yes, sir.
Hyder, Hyder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang on, Mr. Hyder. I'm going to get the paperwork I have for you up.
Yes, sir.
My name's Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Santa County. And I want to make sure I got the right paperwork for you. Hang on just a second. I guess I do. Mr. Hyder, you've been charged with a misdemeanor of Class A for assault family violence. Do you understand the charge?
Um, yeah, I believe so.
Okay. I just want to make sure you understand it. I'm not asking if you did it. I'm not going to be the trial judge at your trial. I'm just the magistrate that's going to read your rights and set your bond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understand the charge, what it means, assault family violence.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have a right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you need a court appointed attorney or do you gonna get your own?
I have one.
All right. Just bear with me a second here.
Yes, sir.
Trying to fill out some paperwork that you'll be signing when we get through with this. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently on a bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. Uh, I'm not asking if you committed this offense, but who is it that you allegedly assaulted?
My fiance.
Do what?
My fiance.
Oh, your fiance. I see.
Yes,
So,
sir.
are y'all living in separate houses?
No, sir. We currently live together.
Well, I'm concerned about sending you back to that house and this assault occurring again. Do I need to have you go? Should I put an order against you to take you out of the house, or what's going to happen when I send you go back home?
Um, Sir, I miss my fiance. I miss my daughter. I would love to go home. And um, I don't think we need one. I truly don't. But if I understand if that's what you need to do.
Well, I don't have to do it. No one asked for one, but I'm considering, I don't want the assault to continue and you go back and it get worse and something happens and everybody goes like, well, the judge sent him back home.
I understand.
So apparently it wasn't very serious as far as injuries to her. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set your bond at $2,000. I'm going to let you go back. But I'm going to ask that then if you lose your temper again, that perhaps you should, you know, find another place to go rather than stay around there while you've lost your temper, and y'all can work some things out. Have y'all been together very long?
We've been together total, like officially for 3 years. We've been engaged for one, but I've known her for about seven.
Have you set a date yet?
Sir?
Have you set a date yet?
For the wedding, no, sir, we haven't.
Oh, okay, well, y'all be careful and good luck. I'm gonna
Yes,
just
sir.
set that bond and I'll let you go back. If you come back, I'm gonna put you out of the house for a while.
I understand. Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can I give you something to make call or not?
And your name?
Matthew Stephen Amos Jr.
Hang on a second. Get your paperwork up. Mr. Amos, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Antonio County. I'm here to let you know what you're in jail for and see what we can do about getting you out.
All right.
There is a warrant for you, warrant LSP 715662, issued by the Louisiana Board of Pardons and Parole. They say that you have violated your parole and they want you back in Louisiana. Do you
Yeah.
understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know that there was a warrant out for you?
Man, I just got released from prison not even a month ago, man, and I full termed I demolition out. I did my time all the way out to where I should have been released. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, the Louisiana Board of Pardon and Parole wants to come to Texas and pick you up.
All right.
And so there's no bond available for you according to them. And you're just going to have to go back and see what it is that you've done that had them issue this warrant.
How many days do they have to come get me?
Well, it depends on a lot of different things, so I can't give you a specific amount of time. They'll be getting with the district attorney's office and work out an extradition for you. If you waive extradition, it goes a lot faster than if you fight it. But that's totally up to you if you choose to fight your extradition or not.
Yes, I choose to fight it.
Okay.
Is that bad that I choose to fight it? Explain it to me though.
Well, I'm not really understanding a whole lot of how the procedure goes. Louisiana and Texas talk, and they decide that you need to go back. And if you fight it, then you'll go to court and have hearings and things like that, and have a lawyer if you need one. Or if you just waive it, you get back to Louisiana a lot quicker. That's totally
Uh,
up to you.
I don't want to fight it because I'm not supposed to be on parole. This is an old warrant, man.
Well, let me hang on just a second.
Because I wasn't supposed to have any parole left.
Uh-huh.
They told me I didn't have to report to probation parole. They told me I was off parole. You know what I'm
Uh-huh.
saying? Type thing. That's the only reason why I came to Texas.
Well, hang on just a second. I can tell you maybe when that warrant was issued. Uh, the warrant was issued on October the 14th of this year. That's just a couple of weeks ago.
Damn.
So,
Well, I guess I'll just waive extradition, bro, and just ride with the punches. You know what I'm saying?
well, I think to say, surely if you were on parole, you would know it.
Yeah, I shouldn't have been on parole, man.
Well, but like I said, the warrant was issued 2 weeks ago, or October the what did I say, 14th? Yeah.
So what is it this year? I just need to waive it or fight
Well,
it.
that's up to you. The two states will have to talk and get the paperwork set out. There'll be something for you to sign, and then Louisiana will come and get you.
Yeah, I'm good. Louisiana, come get me.
Okay. Anything else I can say for you or do for you?
No, sir. I was on a I guess it's because what I'm on parole for. That's what I'm on parole. That's what I was supposed to be. Yeah,
Is a theft case?
yeah, theft case. Yes, sir.
Okay, well, that's what they said there.
All right.
All right, sir, you take
All
care.
right. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can you see me?
Yes, sir, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll need your name.
Jared Malone.
Okay, hang on a second, Mr. Malone. Trying to, I'm pulling up your paperwork to see what all I got on you. Hmm. All right, I got it all. Mr. Malone, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice Peace here in San Santa County.
All right.
And you're charged with criminal mischief, a Class B misdemeanor, criminal trespass, a Class C misdemeanor, and public intoxication. Do you understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's talk about the criminal mischief first. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you, and you can stop the questioning at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You
I,
need a
I,
court-appointed attorney, you're going to get your own.
I'll just plead guilty.
Well, you can't
All right.
because that goes to a higher court than me, and so I'm not your trial judge. You're going to have to bond out for that one.
Okay. Well, yeah, then I'm just court appointed. Be fine.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No.
All right. Now, on this case, I'm going to set your bond at $1,000.
Okay.
Hang on just a second. Let me finish this form. Now, you also have a criminal trespass, which is a Class C. That means a fine-only offense. You have the right to hire an attorney. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you've been questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. Now, this is a Class C, a fine-only offense. I do have the authority in this case, if you wish, to ask you how you want to plead, and we can take care of that now. So, to the
Yeah.
charge
Yeah.
of criminal trespass, how do you plead?
Guilty.
All right. And I'm going to give you time served in this case
Okay.
so that you don't have any fines due.
Okay.
And then on the third charge of public intoxication, I went over the probable cause affidavit that the officer issued and I did not find probable cause for that offense. You were arrested for public intoxication. And from my understanding, when you were arrested, you were not in a public place.
Right.
And so that case is not going to be accepted by the court.
Okay.
So you have that $1,000 bond and you're out of here.
All right. Thank
Okay, sir.
you.
Thank you. Your name?
Jerry Phillip.
Okay, Mr. Phillip, hang on just a second.
Yes, sir.
We'll pull up your paperwork. My name's Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of Peace here in San Santa County. You are charged with the offense of interfering with public duties in misdemeanor Class B. Do you understand that charge?
No, sir.
The officer is alleging that he had a duty to perform and you did not permit him to perform that duty. Okay, I'm not asking you if you're guilty, not asking you if you did it. I'm not here for that. I'm just here to let you know what you're charged with and how we can get you out of jail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you understand the charge to interfere with the public duties?
No, sir. I don't understand really the law like that or anything.
Okay, officers have a certain things that they have to do, and for a person to not let them do that or to object to it strongly means that you've interfered with them doing their job, and that's what he's charging you with.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers, attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you need a court-appointed attorney or you going to get your own?
Um, I don't have one, so
All right, well, we'll put you down for a court-appointed attorney. The jail staff will assist you in completing that paperwork. All right? Now, are you a citizen of the United States?
yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. So I'm going to set your bond on this at $1,000. Do you understand how to make a bond?
I'm sorry. One more time, sir.
You understand how to make a bond?
No, sir.
Well, you just need to put up $1,000 of your money and come back to court, or you can hire a bondsman to put up $1,000 of his money, and you can come back to court when he asks you to come back. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Is
what
it
you
possible
need
that I
to,
could do that today, or?
oh yeah, I'm sure there's a bondsman waiting anxiously to take your money. So you'll just need to call one. There's two of them there right across the street from the jail, and the jail staff will assist you in making that call. All right. Any other
Yes.
questions I can answer for you?
Um, I think that's all. I believe.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Your Honor, give me a minute to grab Mr. Record.
No problem.
Thank you.
Right here, step closer.
Your name,
Yes,
sir?
Adam Reichert.
All right.
Are you my judge that I had for jury duty?
Nope.
Okay. I'm just now coming back, sir. I hear I wouldn't talk to you yesterday or something.
Well, I don't know.
I don't either,
I'm
sir. So,
I'm here because you have two charges filed against you, and I'm here to read you your rights and set your bonds and see what we can do about getting you out of jail.
yes, sir.
I'm Harris Blanchette. I am just the magistrate that's taking care of the jail tonight.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
And you pronounce your last name Reichard?
Yes, sir. Reichard. Reichard.
Okay, Mr. Reichard,
Yes,
you're
sir.
charged with cruelty to a non-livestock animal. Do you
That's my
understand?
that's my dog, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I remember now, Your Honor. I
Okay,
don't know.
I'm not here to try your case. I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
here to make sure you understand what you're charged with.
Yes, sir, I do.
Well,
And I hit my dad too, right?
that's the next charge for hitting
Yes,
your
sir.
dad. So let's take care of these one at a time, okay?
Okay. I would never hurt my dog, sir. I don't know where I was.
Well, let's talk about that in a second, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you what your rights are so you'll understand what you need to do.
Okay.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney present prior to or during any interview with or questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state of Texas.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent.
Yes,
You
sir.
are not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court.
Of
You have
course.
the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. Now, this is, do you understand these rights?
I do now, sir. I do need a lawyer, though. Can I
Okay.
get a court appointed lawyer?
Yes, sir, no problem. I'll put this down. The jail staff will assist you in completing the paperwork.
Yes, sir.
And are you a citizen of the United States?
Absolutely, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
I honestly don't think so, but I don't. I just woke up, Your Honor. I've been gone for days. I'm bipolar and schizophrenic, and I was off my meds, and
Well, let me ask you a question. I'm gonna set your bond for cruelty to animals at $1,000. Okay,
oh,
that's just the bond you need to make to get out. You understand?
I don't. Can I get a bail bondsman or something?
Oh, yes, sir. You can hire your bail bondsman to get you out. Okay.
I don't fully understand the process, no, sir. But
Okay, hang on just a second. Now let's take care of this second charge, and then
yes, sir.
we'll discuss the process. So the second charge, you are filed on for injury to an elderly person with the intent to do bodily injury. That's a
Absolutely.
felony in the third degree.
Absolutely, sir, and I cannot afford that. I'm a U.S. citizen, I'm a gun owner, I'm a gun lover, and I can't be a felon, Your Honor. I wasn't there. My dad's always put his hands on me because he doesn't know what to do with me. And I was naked through the house, and I was standing there in front of my dad, and my dad's like, go put some clothes on. I'm like, what are you talking about? And he came up to me and he grabbed me and he was shaking. And I said, hey, get your hands off of me. And I stepped back and I just swung at him. But I would never disrespect my father, Your Honor.
Do you live with your dad?
I do, unfortunately. I'm disabled. I am mentally disabled. And I've been gone for no telling how long. They told me in here that I've been out of it for 3 or 4 days. And I I said, what about the judge? And they said, you wouldn't talk to the judge. So I apologize to you. I was not there, Your Honor. I really need my medications and I will gladly do my time, but I I need help, Your Honor. I would never hurt my dog, sir. But I remember doing it now.
Okay. Well, the rights that I read you still apply the same rights for hitting your dog,
Yes, sir.
except for one more right for because of the felony, and that's the right to an examining trial. An examining trial is an opportunity for you or your attorney to look and see exactly what it was that the state has evidence against you,
Yes, sir.
and
I completely understand, sir, and I apologize, but it, and I'm glad to be here. I'm glad they put me in the padded room for however long it's been. And so thank you for taking care of me.
well, I'm gonna set your bond at $5,000 for the striking your dad,
Yes, sir.
and maybe we can get you some help.
Absolutely, sir. That's all I need. I would never harm my dog.
You keep saying that about your dog, but you don't say that about your dad.
Well, I never disrespect my father either, sir.
Well, that would be debatable as far as the action you took against him.
I completely understand.
All
And
right.
yes, I do need a lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I got you down for the lawyer.
Okay, great.
All right. Thank
I
you.
appreciate your time.
All right, sir.
I'm still not there. I remember you. I'm so sorry.
You're good. Can I go grab this Ripper?
What was that? Oh, okay. I remember being there. Not sorry.
Here's Miss
Your
Ripper.
name?
Ripper?
Okay, let me pull up your paperwork and see what all we have you for. Jenna Ripper?
Yes, sir.
Jenna, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of Peace here in San Jacinto County. You are charged with the offense of to manufacture and deliver a controlled substance in penalty group 1 greater than or equal to 4 grams, but less than 200 grams. It's a felony in the first degree. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
You are also charged with possession of marijuana Class B. You understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
And with the, hang on, there's another charge. Possession of a controlled substance in penalty group 2, less than 1 gram, that's a state jail felony. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop making any statements or questions at any time. And the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney or you're going to get your own?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
All right, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No.
All right. On the state jail felony, possession of a controlled substance, I'm setting your bond at $5,000. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang on just a second. On the manufacture and deliver, I'm going to put down that you have the same responses to those questions. You want a court-appointed attorney, you are a U.S. citizen, and you're not currently out on bond. And I'm going to set that bond at $10,000.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And on the possession of marijuana, the same rights apply. And I'm going to put down the same responses to the same questions. You do want a court-appointed attorney. You are a U.S. citizen and you're not currently out on bond. And I'm going to set that bond at $2,000. You have any questions?
No.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I believe that is it, Your Honor.
That's it?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.